Hello happy people, Hamza here and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create bed types in the hotel booking engine by MotoPress. Now the bed type, this is what I mean. When someone goes to the single accommodations page, for example this is for a deluxe room, someone will see that actually the bed type in this room is a double bed. If they go like to a twin room and they're reading through the details, they'll see that actually the bed type here is a king size. So how do you do this in MotoPress? What you simply have to do is come back to your dashboard, and in the dashboard you simply just come down here to the settings option under accommodations, settings, and scroll just a little bit down here and you'll see an option called bed types. Now right here you can add single bed, king size bed, or double bed. And if you look over here on our standard room, if I view the details of the standard room, you see that in the standard room we have a single. So I'm going to edit this and I'm going to add single bed. So single bed, and I will update this page. And once I update, I'm simply going to come back here to the accommodations. I'm going to come to the standard room because I already created these accommodations, and under the edit option of the standard room I can simply just scroll down here and then I can choose between the available bed types. In this case it is a single bed, and I can simply update. Now to create another bed type, in case you have new bed types in your hotel, you can simply just come over here to the bed types under settings in accommodation, simply create and say add a bed type, and you can say this is queen bed or queen size bed, and you simply update. Once you update by saving changes, you can then create an accommodation or basically go to a specific room, for example the twin room, and come down here to the bed type, and you can choose the bed type and say this is a queen size bed. Okay, and then you simply update. After updating, now when we come over here on our twin room, you realize before it was king size bed, now we have changed it to queen size bed. Let's reload this page to update. Boom, our bed type changes to queen size bed. In a nutshell, that's how you can create bed types in your hotel booking page using MotoPress. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please give it a like, and if you're new here, please subscribe. Have a good time and goodbye.